Hi, this is Andrew again, everybody, and today I'm going to show you how my Airsoft mp5 works. I think it works really good. Some people don't like it, but if you have one, I would recommend taking the stock off, because the stock, it makes it actually worse. It's terrible. I absolutely hate it. See, I took mine off. It's like, I just hate it. It's better like this, but always leave the silencer on it because it makes the bullet shoot faster and farther. So yeah, so I have a piece of paper set up over there which I'm gonna shoot, and let's get started. So I'll take the gun, hold on a second, now I'll put the gun on and switch it to full, and I will put this on here. And now, let's start shooting. Let me just get some more ammo in there. And let's go again. Get some more ammo and so yeah, it works really well. It's actually for a pretty good price, and it's only 45 bucks. And see what it did? Not all of them hit it. A couple of them hit it in the exact same spot. And yeah, it's 45 bucks. It's a great offer. Remember, take the stock off and leave the silencer on. So I hope you enjoyed my video, everybody. Bye.